A land known for its serenity, tucked up in the lap of snow-clad mountains, is the northeastern region of India, which is bestowed with picturesque locale and diverse culture. This tropical beauty of India finds an all-new meaning when we enter this paradise of tranquility. Blessed by Mother Nature, the Honorable Prime Minister consider these 8 sister states as Ashtalakshmi, which comprises of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura.
ईश्वर ने इस क्षेत्र को इतने प्राकृतिक संसाधन दिए हैं, इतना सामर्थ्य दिया है, यहाँ विकास की, टूरिज्म की इतनी संभावनाएं हैं। नॉर्थ ईस्ट की इन संभावनाओं पर अब काम हो रहा है। पूर्वोत्तर अब भारत के विकास का गेटवे बन रहा है।
To accelerate the pace of socio-economic development in the region, the Northeastern Council or NEC was formed. NEC was constituted in 1972. Over the last 50 years, NEC has been instrumental in setting up new economic endeavors aimed at removing the infrastructural bottlenecks, providing basic minimum services, promoting an environment for private investment and creating an atmosphere of lasting peace and security. In the last 8 years, under the leadership of the present government, NEC has focused on connectivity, capacity building, resource and skill-based industry, trade and tourism, with special emphasis on harnessing cultural strength and creativity. By reaching out to the people, opportunities for progress were provided to them so that their lifestyle could be changed and they could be taken on the path of progress. The council got a major leg up when the Department of Development of Northeastern Region or DONOR was set up in September 2001, which was converted into a full-fledged ministry in 2004. Ministry of DONOR is responsible for planning, execution and monitoring developmental schemes and projects in the entire northeastern states of India. Zealously following the reorient and upgrade mantra laid down by the Prime Minister, NEC took rapid strides to develop itself as a state-of-the-art resource center. The Northeastern Council is chaired by the Honorable Home Minister Shri Amit Shah, who emphasized that the central government is committed to make the Northeastern region the new engine of growth for the entire country.
केंद्र में नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार नॉर्थ ईस्ट के सर्वांगीण विकास को समर्पित सरकार है और नॉर्थ ईस्ट के सर्वांगीण विकास के बगैर भारत का विकास नहीं हो सकता, ऐसी मूल मान्यता नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार की है।
Shri G. Kishan Reddy, Minister of Development of Northeastern Region or DONOR, is the Vice Chairman of NEC.
Northeast Council ensured road and air connectivity, established important regional institutions and laid foundation for critical social and physical infrastructure in this region.
Shri K. Moses Chalai is appointed as Secretary in the NEC Secretariat. The region, which was neglected for decades, has witnessed unprecedented peace and development under the current leadership of the Northeastern Council.
कई सारा प्रोजेक्ट्स इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हुआ है, कई सारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कहिए, एजुकेशनल में कहिए, आप सोशल सेक्टर्स में कहिए, हेल्थ में कहिए, स्पोर्ट्स, लाइवलीहुड, हर क्षेत्र में कई सारा अच्छे काम किया है।
Over the last 50 years, the NEC has been instrumental in setting up iconic institutes in the region, such as Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Regional Institute of Paramedical and Nursing Sciences, Regional Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology, Northeastern Region Community Resource Management Society, Northeast Cane and Bamboo Development Center, Northeast Police Academy, Northeastern Regional Institute of Water and Land Management, Northeastern Handicrafts and Handloom Development Corporation, and Northeastern Regional Agriculture Marketing Corporation. During the 65th plenary, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi emphasized on establishing the Northeast Resource Centre, along with 6 Centre of Excellence to focus on the following activities: technology acceleration, skill and competency, research and monitoring, policy and planning, data and analytics, documentation and information. The Northeastern Council has carried out establishments of several prestigious institutions, completion of important infrastructural projects, along with implementation of successful livelihood projects through community intervention in the Northeastern region. NEC has ushered in a new era of hope for the people living in this paradise, which is full of immense possibilities and potential.